I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. I shall explain question number 12, exercise 5.7. If y equal to cos inverse x, comma, then find d square y over dx square in terms of y alone. Now come out to solution here. Solution implies that given that y equal to cos inverse x, comma, to find d square y over dx square in terms of y alone. Imply that y equal to cos inverse x, imply that x equal to cos y. Y equal to cos inverse x. Then x equal to cos y, it can be written. Because here cos inverse will be thrown back to left hand side, so here it will become 1 over cos inverse. So cos inverse is there in numerator here, in left hand side, will be thrown back to in numerator. Here cos inverse is there in denominator. Cos inverse is there in denominator, thrown back to numerator, it will become cos y. X equal to cos y, it will become. Y equal to cos inverse x. Y equal to cos inverse x, implied that x equal to cos y, it will become. Here I shall write implied that x equal to cos y. X equal to cos y. Now here I shall write differentiating x with respect to y. Differentiating x with respect to y, we shall get d over dy of x equal to d over dy of cos y. Imply that here in center function x is available, in denominator y is available. D will conjugated with x comes out to be dx over dy equal to d over dy of cos y comes out to be minus sin y. Imply that dx over dy will be reversed. So we'll get here dy over dx equal to minus sin y will be reversed. We will get here 1 over minus sin y. Imply that dy over dx equal to minus cosec y. So we have got here implied that dy over dx equal to minus cosec y. This thing you have got. Again I shall write differentiating differentiating dy over dx WRT x. This function dy over dx equal to minus cos y, cosec y. dy over dx equal to minus cosec y will be differentiated with respect to x. So here I shall write implied that d over dx of dy over dx equal to minus 1, I shall write d over dx of cosec y, imply that d over dx of dy over dx, we shall get d square y over dx square equal to, here I shall write minus 1, and here d over dx of cosec y. Here in center function y is available, in denominator x is available. Y and x are different. That's why dy over dx will multiply here. So here write dy over dx dot, this is x, dot, and for time being, in place of y, write here x. The d over dx of cosec x comes out to be minus cosec x dot cot x. This thing is there. Formula is there. D over dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x dot cot x. D over dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x dot cot x. Using this formula, we shall get this one. So here again I shall write imply that d square y over dx square equal to minus minus will multiply together. So we'll get here plus 1 dot, and dy over dx I shall take from this place. Dy over ds, in place of dy over dx I shall write minus cosec y. So here write minus cosec y, and again I shall write cosec x dot cot x equal to cosec x dot cot x. I shall get this will become minus cosec y dot cosec x dot cos x. Just refer the case. Minus cot y cosec y from equation number 1. Dx upon dy. Cosec y cot y cosec y. here d over dx of cosec y. So here I shall write this is y, cosec y, this is y, this is also y, because d over dx of cosec y, the cosec y is conjugated with cosec, so here cosec y cot y it will become, or you will get dy over dx. So now here you will get cosec y or cot y. This thing you have got. So implied that d square y over dx square equal to minus cosec square y dot cot y. You have got here right minus. This will be the correct answer you have got. Now check the answer from the key point. Answer you have got d square y over dx square equal to minus cot y dot cosec square y from equation number 1. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 12 that has been taken from exercise 5.7 chapter 5 continuity and division. Okay guys, thanks. Here you can see d square y over dx square equal to minus cosec square y dot cot y. So here result you have got minus cosec square y dot cot y. Y is available. So in terms of y alone you have got. Find d square y over dx square in terms of y alone. So here we have got d square y over dx square equal to minus cosec square y dot cot y. In terms of y, we have got d square y over dx square. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 12, exercise 5.7. Okay guys, thanks.